Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace an interlock cam plate in your microwave oven, first unplug the power cord. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the grille. Pull the grille forward from the top to remove. Open the oven door and remove the mounting screws securing the control panel. Lift the control panel up to detach. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the control board. Then depress the locking tabs, if necessary, to disconnect the wires. Free the hinge tab from the front panel and remove the screw and washer securing the grounding wire. Next, remove the screws securing the plastic control panel backing. Detach the control board wires from the channel. Release the sensor wire and set the backing aside. If you're replacing the cam plate on the upper interlock support, you will need to detach the support. To do this, use a T10 Torx bit screwdriver to remove the screws securing the support. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the cam plate, then lift the support up to detach it from the front panel. Remove the tension spring and rotate the old cam plate counterclockwise to remove. Install the new interlock cam plate by aligning it on the support and rotating it clockwise to secure. Replace the tension spring by inserting the L-shaped end into the cam plate and the hooked end into the support. If applicable, reposition the interlock support on the front panel and snap it into place. Thread the screw to secure. Reattach the sensor wire to the control panel backing, then align the wire and control board wires in the respective channels. Reposition the backing and replace the screws to secure. Reinstall the control panel by first securing the grounding wire with the screw and washer. Insert the hinge tab into the front panel and reconnect the remaining wires to the appropriate terminals on the board. Insert the control panel tabs into the front panel slots and push the panel down. Replace the mounting screw to secure. Realign the grille and snap it into place. Then rethread the screws to secure. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.